Welcome back to my channel. This is Mac, and today we are working on my mom's car. Unfortunately, she was in an accident. There she is right there. The car that is. I'm trying to stay out of the wind as much as possible. So, big issue. You guys are at Walmart. You guys are at Walmart, right, Mike? Sitting in the turn lane, had a good car length distance between them and the person in front of them. Person in front of them decided they want to kind of go around, and they just threw it in reverse and they sailed it. They just went up onto her car. It was an SUV, and cops came, took information. The other guy got a ticket. Our insurance companies, well, theirs, as in my mom's, just called back and they said, hey, we're pursuing the owner of the vehicle and also the insured car and the driver. So the insured car and the driver, and the car didn't have insurance and that kid didn't have insurance or license. So worst case scenario, because it's an old car, they only had they didn't have full coverage on it. So apparently we're gonna have to go to small claims or something to get this thing fixed. But I figured, since I know a little thing about cars, just like one or two things, we could probably fix it. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at it. And I apologize for the wind noise. I might cut out the commentary and just do dub over. So we got, actually this thing looks like it broke here. Front bumper. That light's okay. This light is damaged. Hood. Structural piece right here. All right. Let's see if we can open this sucker. Oh, there we go.
Bingo.
Okay, bingo. We're definitely gonna need one of these. That is good. How does this connect? Is it just
Like
bolted on?
Bolted to here. Yeah. Radiator.
Actually, it looks like it's spot welded, Mike.
Down below.
Look right here.
Yeah. That's what you're saying.
Is this steel?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is steel.
Here's what it is.
Oh, there's one of the screws are kept on.
Oh. Yeah, that's busted up.
Just a Phillips head screw, so we need this part
Yeah,
too.
this has got Phillips underneath that holds the whole actual bumper. So this is my thing. I wanted to see that. Yeah. Oh, it kind of messed that up though, didn't it? Yeah, it did. Shit.
What is that?
I'll have to get another one of those. Yeah, it just bolts on. There's a bolt there.
Now we got to this point, we have to remove the hood. The pull apart thing, the budget pull apart place, requires a core. So we gotta remove the hood and take it with us tomorrow, which will be simple for you guys because you're just gonna cut over to us being at the pull apart place, and I'll show you our options there. So all right, let's go ahead and remove this real quick, and then it should be like 4 bolts and we're good. we are keeping all this stuff off the old hood. We pulled these clips off, and we're keeping the insulator. And we're gonna pull off any rubber pieces or plastic pieces around the sides. We're not sure what we'll find at the place, so it's good just to keep these parts and not give it up on your when you're trading in. So, all right. Wow, look at this, Mike.
Yeah.
On both sides. All right. Be right back. Okay, we're back at the house. Let's take inventory of what we got. So we got a headlight that is yellow, like
Temporary light.
temporary light until we replace it. Okay. Here's the bumper. Okay. Bumper got a cool little Florida. I don't know what that is in there. Cool little plate. Everything's on there. The Honda emblem's missing, but we have ours right here, so we can flop that one over there. Okay. We got a new one of these, new one of those, and we did verify that those do work on the V6 or the other two-door. Got this, got that bracket we cut out. Okay, here's this. Got the bumper support, we got the hood, and that's for the truck. This holds the spare tire. And yes, our goal right now is just to put the headlights on and to get the front bumper on. Other way, yeah. There we go. Oh wait, Mike, before we put that, we got to put the bumper on first, remember?
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. That was a test of seeing how messed up this is. We don't think there is much damage, but let's see. These bolts line up, right? Bolts line up here.
Lined up there?
Nope. So that one's pushed out a little bit.
This one?
Yep.
Ooh, way off.
So this is where ratchet strap's going to come in to kind of help ratchet that one over.
Dang it.
Okay. Well, we expected that, right?
Yeah, kind of, but
a little bit.
Hoping. So we got to pull this one.
Yeah. So let's get the ratchet strap out.
Okay.
Okay. We used a ratchet strap to pull this over, relieve some tension. We hit it with a hammer, and then they bolt right in. So all bolts are in on this, so it's nice and square. And then we tap this over a little bit so this thing will bolt in nicer for the headlight. Okay. Those bolts are going in nice. Okay, we got the headlight bracket in there. We're gonna put this one in too, and we're gonna put the hood on up here, make sure everything fits good. And then we're possibly gonna pull this thing out, mess with the hinge, that way we can latch the hood, and then we can go from there. Doing so we're trying to get the latch where it needs to be. We're off about an inch, maybe 2 inches.
Yeah, inch and a half, 2
inches, because we want that striker plate to be right in the middle.
Right there.
Yeah.
So about 2 inches.
Yeah. So we got to bring
this thing back out.
We got to bring that thing out. Okay. What is this thing? Oh, my ratchet's over there. Remove that. Let's take some shit out of here and see if this thing goes flat. Okay. Now let's see where we're at. I just wanted to see flat.
Oh yeah, not the same. Yeah, let's see, it needs to be about right there.
Okay.
So good 2 inches.
Well, here's my thing. It has to sit down right there.
Yeah.
Okay. So, but we need the latch to go up like a foot. Right?
I'm wondering if it pushed this in.
That in? Looks like it pushed in a little bit. Okay, so there's 2 things we have to do. We gotta pull it down some more. This whole thing needs to come down. Like this whole thing right here needs to go down that way.
Yep.
And then after we do that, we need to pull it out. Okay, so that's what we're gonna be doing now. Okay, so we pulled it out a little bit further. We needed about another, what do you think? We need another 1/2 inch, Mike?
Yeah, at least a half.
We've pushed down on the bottom of this little bar right here, down here, push down on it. So we're good there. Well, height wise, we just have to come out this way. So best way to do that, we think, is use ratchet straps to the truck. Mike, this truck might be too far away.
Oh no, huh?
No, that's not?
No.
30 feet away is good?
Oh yeah, that's
Okay.
better.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna ratchet strap to the up here and then pull it out. We're still, like I said, we're still about a 1/2 inch out. So we're gonna put ratchet straps to both sides, come out evenly, and then go that route. So that's what next steps are. All right, the straps have kind of did the thing. Mike, do you want to demonstrate?
Sure.
Sure diddly do. Okay. Ain't gonna come up. And it unlatches. Oh! Okay. So, I think now that we have that all situated, we gotta put some headlights in here. And we gotta fix that properly.
I wonder if we should go ahead and just cut that out, put that other one in it.
Oh, we are?
Yeah.
Just so you guys know, we did all this work just to get a hood on it so Mom can go to some doctor's appointments. We're only doing this straightening temporarily. So we're gonna do it the right way. Cut out right here, right there, pull this thing out, pull out that piece, put the new piece in, weld it in. That's the goal. So you may be looking like, oh, he's doing it all wrong, you guys suck. We do suck, but we're doing it half-assed right now, so we do it the right way here in a little bit. Just, my mom has doctor appointments tomorrow, so we really need to get some, we're losing daylight.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna put some headlights in here, get it ready for her so we can go to doctor's appointments, and then go from there. Right, Mike?
Yes, sir.
Let's get some headlights in here. Okay.
What are we doing this screwdriver?
while Mike is putting the headlights in here and getting that all situated on that side, I am gonna spend a few minutes cleaning up this headlight right here. So this is what it looks like now, and no need to show you the process. So I'm gonna show that to you now, and then I will spend the next hour cleaning it, and then I'll show you the after. All right, I'm gonna do a lot of wet sanding, so be back. All right, this actually looks pretty damn good. It's not perfect. I mean, I still see some scratches in here. You can't really see it probably, but night and day difference between how I got here and now. I just used a 350, a 500, 800, and then there's a pad on here. It says 3000 on it with this. And then I went to this, the finish. So you guys can see what it is. That's all I did. You can buy a little kit to do this. I just didn't have one, so I just figured I'll just whip this together. Anyway, looks pretty good. You could put like a clear coat on this, but I'm not gonna on this. We may still replace it, but I think overall we might even keep it, and it looks pretty good. Okay, headlights are in, hood's on, brackets are on. We still have some adjusting to do on the hood, make it come out this way a little bit, just a hair, just to make the body lines look a little better. But otherwise, she has a running car with no bumper. We're keeping the bumper off until we replace the actual bracket in the middle. All right, Mike, this is I guess this is part one. So part one. Part two is
Never.
We're gonna make her drive this until she gets done with it.
Sell it. Sell it as is.
No, part two. I don't know. Part two is probably fixing that middle bracket first, Mike. Right?
Yeah. Oh, definitely.
And then get that all situated, make sure it closes perfect, and then we'll work on painting and scuffing up and doing the bumper and the hood. Even the hood really just matches it really well. I'd want it to match though.
Yeah, I do want it, man.
Yeah.
I want to at least wash it. It's pretty dingy.
Yeah. All right, I'm pretty happy with the headlight and everything, and replacing what we did. Again, this is just part one. There'll be a part two in this. All right, let me know how mad I messed up on this, and if you have any pointers, open for you know, criticism. So anyway, constructive criticism, or you can just be an asshole. It's really your choice. All right, till next time, guys. Thank you. Bye.